Almost every morning, my tendons and muscles feel tight. I feel the need to move. So I start my strength and conditioning routine. Push-ups, sit-ups, burpees, and a few stretches. My heart rate goes up, heat rises, my joints get lubricated. Deeper breath. Strong but loose shoulders. Some sets feel weak, others feel strong. I mobilize my energy, my muscles fire, sweat begins to drop and cools me down again. What else? Flushed skin, steady rhythm. Slowly, tight becomes flexible. Tension releases, softer face, longer range. Warm calms, cold sharpens. Vessels widen, then narrow. Tired and powerful, tight and flexible, weak and strong, warm and cold. Those are the results of conscious decisions combined with unconscious automatic adjustments. Metabolism in action. Constant regulation that keeps me in shape and alive. In biology, balance is called homeostasis, the ability of living beings to keep their inner environment stable while the world around them is changing. Your body temperature normally stays around 37 degrees Celsius. Doesn't matter if it's hot or cold outside, if you are moving or resting. Your blood sugar level is adjusted after every meal. Your breathing and heart rate adapt to how active you are. Without these constant adjustments, life would not be possible. Metabolism, the sum of all these chemical processes in our body, is the key to that balance. Breaking down nutrients and building new molecules. Storing energy and using energy. Or better, consuming energy. In this case, I like apples. Creating waste and removing waste. It's a continuous dance of action and counteraction. This teaches us something essential. Balance is not a luxury, it's a fundamental condition for life. The fact that we sweat when it's hot or shiver when it's cold is a reminder. Without inner balance, without our ability to adapt, life stops. On a bigger level, the same is true for our relationships, our organizations, our societies, our ecosystems. And our inner world reflects that. A short exercise for you. Take a moment and notice how your body is regulating itself. By inhaling and exhaling, heart beating, maybe by slight movements or bigger movements, or by yawning. Now, after your next inhale, hold your breath for a few seconds, only as long as it feels comfortable. Notice how your body responds. A gentle urge to exhale, a signal that balance wants to be restored. Then release your breath and return to your natural rhythm. Important, this is just a light breath hold. Don't force it, don't strain, and don't do this exercise if you have any medical condition that doesn't allow breath holding, or if you are in a situation that makes it unsafe to hold your breath. Always listen to your body and be responsible. Now repeat the breath hold. Hold it until you feel the urge to exhale. But this time add 3 to 5 more seconds from that urge point on. Then release your breath and return to your natural rhythm. What happens here biologically? As you hold your breath, the level of carbon dioxide in your blood rises slightly. Your body notices this change and sends the signal to breathe again. This shows how finely tuned your system is. Even the smallest imbalance triggers a correction, guiding you back to equilibrium. Now reflect. What in my life is already self-regulating without me forcing it? Take a moment, write it down, acknowledge it. Sometimes trusting life's balancing forces can take pressure off our shoulders. That was our exploration of balance in biology with a look at homeostasis and metabolism. In the next video, we will look at boundaries, why separation and connection are both essential to balance, from cell membranes to relationships. It's not a joke, but don't take it too seriously. Like and subscribe, and share in the comments which biological example of balance resonates most with you. Is it temperature, blood sugar, or breathing? Stay curious and see you in the next one.